Some people, they may envy you, follow you on Insta just to pre you. The way that go chat rubbish, the way that go spoil your name behind you. You buy one thing, that go on buy two. Always making sure that they better than you, but that's you, they do me, go do you. You cannot kill my joy, moo moo. I say some people, them they hate on you, follow you on Insta just to pre you. The way that go chat rubbish, the way that go spoil your name behind you. You buy one thing, they go on buy two. Always making sure that they better than you.
Hey guys, what's up? So I'm just using my Nivea cream as always to moisturize my face. Prep and Prime, Fix Plus, whatever you want to call it. Ooh, 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 ooh. So this is gonna be like a bogus type of look. I'm starting a new series on my channel. Shout out to Simply Nessa 15. I've been watching her for like 4 or 5 years now. And yeah, basically this video is just going to be a how to catfish on Instagram type of video. I love her videos. Well, basically it's just kind of like a joke how people are always saying, oh, take her swimming on the first date. Like, bitch, take me swimming. It better be in your $1 billion backyard. So yeah, basically my how to catfish on Instagram series is going to be a get rid with me type of video. I actually have something special that I'm going to be trying out. So I'm going to be trying out the Masquerade palette by Juvia'S, and I'm super excited. Lots of people had done their reviews like a year or 2 ago, but I'm finally just getting my hands on them. I was so happy. Tried to catch them on sale, but I didn't. Look how beautiful that is, you guys. Like, OMG, yes. It's so beautiful. Like, look at the little masquerade on their face. Like, it's so beautiful. The palette is so beautiful. It actually came in this box, and I'm really happy because I was kind of scared that it would actually not come like all together, if you know what I mean. Like, I didn't want it to be shattered because I have heard issues about it shattering, and I was just like really scared. So yeah, I'm just glad that was not the case because I would have spent that shit straight back. So I'm actually going to be taking my NYX Jumbo eye pencil. Just gonna color this in. I'm gonna use this as the base. So we're gonna start off with my Morphe 505 brush, and I think I'm going to start off with Burkina. So we're gonna go ahead and put this in our transition. I am loving the color payoff, so that's really nice.
Girls there to talk to, but no, he wants to start trouble. Girls there to talk to, but no, he wants to start trouble. Try it.
Take the same brush, and I'm gonna go in the shade Ada. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in the transition area. Oh, wow, look at that color payoff. That's really nice. So now I'm going to take my Morphe 441 brush, and I'm going to take the color Zobo, and I'm going to put that on my crease area as well as my lid. I don't think y'all understand. I love makeup with a passion, and this palette is giving me life right now. Like, OMG. The color payoff is amazing. The fallout isn't too bad, but most palettes have fallout, I guess, so it's dealable, if that's a word. Probably not, but look at this payoff. I'm looking like a unicorn, like honestly, that's what I feel like. I might rename this and call this unicorn baddie, unicorn IG baddie bit. Wow, this is coming out better than I expected. So cute. I have so many ideas for this palette, you guys. But I'm going to take my Morphe E36 brush, and I'm going to take Makeda. I'm just going to put that on my lower lid. So I'm having a bit of trouble with Makeda, so I'm just going to go ahead and spray my E36 brush with my Mario Badescu spray or whatever. So yeah. There we go. Perfect. Y'all see the Colorpop? Yes. So I'm going to go back in with Ada from previously, and I'm going to go in a triangular shape like this to add more depth. Okay, so I think that's going to be it for the eyeshadow look. I'm just going to take my Makeup Forever HD. This is honestly one of my favorite, if not my favorite, foundations as of the moment. Take 2 pumps of that.
This thing got me thinking of life. I can't explain. Yeah, I can't explain. Yeah.
So I'm going to take 2 shades from Colorpop for this concealer. I don't think I've ever done this before, but doesn't hurt to try. So we're going to take Deep 70 and Rich 75. I'm going to go ahead and put Rich 75 first.
Are you feeling good tonight? This thing got me thinking of life. Yeah, I can't explain. I can't explain. Yeah. I know you kill love, but shame me by it, baby. I know you kill love, yeah, my shame me by it, baby.
I think I'm gonna go with the Sasha cup, even though I kind of don't want to, because my black opal is in this darker shade and it has a red undertone, and this concealer already has a red undertone, so it's like I don't want to look like this hair desert or whatever. So I think I'm just going to use my Sasha buttercup. So while I'm waiting for that to set, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the traditional black radiance pressed powder in the shade Ebony. If you've been watching me, you know that I use this on the daily.
Any place you wanna go.
Okay, so I'm just gonna use some random lashes from the beauty supply store in the shade 38, and I'll get back to you after I put them on, as always. So now that that's done, we're gonna go ahead and buff out my setting powder. Honestly, back in the day, if y'all watch YouTube back in the day, you know what the funniest thing was to me? How all of a sudden the camera would cut off and then the YouTuber would be like, oh my gosh, my camera cut off right when I was trying to put my lashes on. Like, girl, no it did not. Stop. Who you running for? Like, just tell us you can't put on lashes on camera, because I feel you. Like, I feel you 100%. Why am I so cute? Like, can somebody tell me? Because I'm not understanding. Like, what is this? God, why'd you do this? Anyways, I'm going to take my Morphe 506 brush, and what color am I taking? And then I'm just going to take Zobo for my under eye.
And baby, just let me know and I'll be the one.
We're going to go in with Caliber.
Never let you go, give you proper company, and I'll be there whenever you need. So baby, take a chance on me, I'll be the one that you need. Ring my phone anytime you need me. No other nigga, I just caught them CDs. Brown skin ting from Niger, a quabba to my ladies from Ghana. Take me home, take me home, take me home. Where you wanna go, say we can go, cause I know that I can be the one to nail up to a girl like you, na 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 na.
Girl, you look good. You look a bit too good. Ooh, girl, you so fine, you blow my mind. Ooh, I could be like Catwoman or some shit. Like, ooh, girl, you is fine. Anyways, that's it for today's look. thank you guys for watching. I know I did that. Y'all don't have to tell me. Just kidding. Tell me down in the comments. I'm just playing, you guys, but I really like this look. I did not think it would come out like this. I am really excited that I got this palette finally. Like, it's so pretty, so beautiful. I 100% love this palette. It's came through for me. Like, I might be getting another palette. I have heard reviews about it. I definitely watched many reviews before purchasing it. I really love the names of this palette and I really enjoyed using it. So yeah, that's it for my review on that palette or whatever. Make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. Like, I be trying my hardest on these videos. Like, I can't tell y'all enough. I appreciate y'all's support, but I really need y'all to like this video, and it'll be very much thoroughly appreciated. So make sure to follow me on all my social medias. You can follow me on Instagram and Snapchat at Esther.xxi. You can also follow me on Twitter at EstherXXI. Period. And yeah, thank you guys so very much for watching once again. And yeah, see you guys next time.
Say make a wire. Tell me to wanna cover my girl. He say all our friends are friends. Leave me la vida loca. I deform me my lover.